At Vox Nutrition, we are constantly trying to find new ways to help our customers get quality products for competitive prices with the best turnaround times possible. At Vox, our most used bottle is an all-white 175cc bottle. More than 50% of our supplements use this one bottle. In order to help improve our production turnaround times, lower cost, increase supply, and improve quality that we give to our customers, we have invested heavily on vertically integrating with our new sister company, Premium Container Supply. Premium Container Supply is able to produce 100,000 bottles a day, or 2 million bottles per month. PCS is producing our 150cc and a 175cc HDPE white bottle with plans to produce other sizes in the future. PCS and Vox continue to help support our local communities by providing more local jobs. This partnership is helping Vox further elevate our quality of product and services to our customers in this ever-changing market.